Hiya, welcome to my channel. I'm the RC Hunter, and today, oh my god, my EMX NightHawk 280 Pro has arrived, and here she is. Absolutely stunning, awesome. Really cannot wait to get this set up and on beta flight and get the settings done and get everything sorted. This is going to be so cool. This is not a sponsor who sent me this. This is out of my own pocket. I've saved my pennies and saved up and saved up and saved up, and I've got it. So this is absolute. I'm so psyched. So it's got the 6-inch Dow props, glass covered tri-blades, which is really cool. Let's just go over it. So obviously underneath here is your controller flight board. You got your emergency battery, low level alarm. Back here is for your transmitter. It's a 200 MW variable to 20, so that's really cool. Here is your camera, and underneath, I should show you around, is the skid pad, which is really awesome. So yeah, so there she is. It's got loads of stuff with it, loads of stuff. So I'll just show you what came with it. It's not new, it's second hand, and you know, I'm so psyched with this. Really want to get it out and fly it. And then this is the TX what came with it. I'll show you. It's the, I think it's the FlySky AE4. Almost certain it, yeah, I think it is. It's almost certain it is. So yeah, so really cool TX. Love it. And on the back. Right then, what came with it? Wow, a lot of stuff came with it. So let me just move the NightHawk over, and I'll just show you what came with it. Like I say, it's second hand, but the guy who I bought it from said that he only used it a couple of times because it was way too fast for him. So he's downgraded to, I think he bought the Bug 6 or something, because they were just outclassed by the NightHawk. So he sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many's in here? 10, 12. He sent me 16 pairs of props, which is really awesome. It's extra bag in here. It's loads of little bits and bats. I won't go through them all because it'll take me all week, but loads of different things. Loads of little baggies, like this one here is for the camera mount up front, which is really cool. I'll be putting my GoPro on it. This one is a temperature, pressure, altitude sensor. Oh cool. So if I want to put it in altitude mode, I can put that on, but I won't. What's the point of putting altitude mode on a racing drone? Some wires, transmitter antennae. So there's lots of little bits and bats I can play with here. Put them to one side. In here, which is really cool. That's absolutely awesome. Wow. So you get a pretty good charge with it. That's awesome, that. Gee. Oh, wow, I'm speechless. He's also gave me a a spare carbon fibre bottom, which is really cool. That's awesome. I'll just carry on. What we got? Obviously the instruction manual. He's also gave me a lipo bag, and in this lipo bag is batteries. So the first one, God, he's given me the Phantom. Wow. So he's given me the Phantom 2200 milliamp, and it's 11.1 volt at 20C, and this is a 4S. Wow. 4S. I mean, just alone this battery, I bet you're talking 60 to 70 pounds just in this battery. Gee whiz. And he's get me some more stuff. So he's gave me this one. This is another 4S at 1300 milliamp. Which is really cool. Looks a bit damaged there. I don't know whether to rewire that or not. If you can have a look, I'm just looking there. That's a bit damaged. So I think I might rewire this one. That's no problems really. And the other one, which is same again, 1300 milliamp, 3S. No, sorry, 4S, which is really cool. And this one's not damaged, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, this one is gonna be so cool. Can't believe it. He's put a fountain in for me. That's crazy, absolute crazy. So yeah, this is me quick video of the EMX NightHawk 280 Pro. I'll be you'll be seeing a lot of this on my channel now, FPV and God knows what else. It's going to be so cool. Cannot wait. I'm not going to rush into it because obviously I'm not used to these sort of things. Obviously I've outgrown my Bug 6 and stuff like that, and I wanted something really to test my pilot skills, and I think this one will do it. What can I hear you say? What can I hear you say? Put a battery in. Alright then, let's put a battery in. Let's see what happens. Wow. So let's just turn it around. Jeez, that light bar is really bright. God almighty. So there we go. There's the battery in it. Just a quick little look. Oh man, I'm so psyched with this. Let me just undo the battery. There we go. So yeah, so that's the EMX NightHawk 280 Pro. I've got myself a racing drone. Been wanting one for ages and ages, and I've got one. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Leave your comments in the comment box below. Please like and share my video, and tell me what you think, you guys. Tell me if you think I'm mad jumping into something like this, or you know, should I jump into something like this? So it'd be interesting to read your comments. So thanks for watching again. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.